Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will do a straight pour, but I will use Craftsmart white glue for my pouring medium. I mixed 70% glue to 30% water, mix it 2-to-1 with my colors, and I will do a straight pour, back to basics. And I will use this iridescent gold by Pebeo. This is just titanium white, and this is permanent rose by Winsor and Newton. This is red violet by Amsterdam, and Pebeo iridescent green blue. And I will add some black here, and white, and then gold, and repeat this process. There is a ton of air bubbles because I just mixed those colors together. So definitely it's better to mix them the day before. Okie doke. So let's start, and I will pour slow from up high, and I will try to manipulate my... this runs way different than when I use my pouring mediums. I'm not sure what I will think about it, so I will just fingerling here. Cross this line. That's how it is when you are used to your pouring medium that doesn't create air bubbles. Yeah, a ton of air bubbles. Flow extender around. And let's see. Ton of air bubbles. I think that with this pouring medium I like jiggling more than straight pour. You can see that there is a ton of little dots because of the air bubbles, but kind of like this painting. I will see how this will dry. Like this part a lot. I wish that I would tilt a little bit of this off. So here she is dry, and I really like the result. I wasn't sure how this will dry because of all the bubbles that I have, but it's kind of interesting, or how can I say. So yeah, not used to that glue pouring medium. Here is iridescent blue-green shining and some gold, and here so yeah, I'm really happy with this one, with the dried results. So if I would use that again, that pouring medium, probably not, but still a nice painting anyway. So thanks for being here, and see you again on the next one. Bye!